All of you typed that last 4 programs, right? Raise your hands. How many of you typed that programs? 4 programs means first program, display.java. Second program, addition.java. Third program, demo variables.java. Fourth program, demo methods1.java. These 4 programs are written up to now. And there are 2 assignments in your hand now. How many of you tried the 2 assignments? Raise your hands. Right, very good. The 2 assignments I'll type somewhere, you have to wait it. Got it right? Because still full-fledged coding I not started, so still some concept. After giving the all components only, then only program construction will be started, right? These 4 programs are in your hand, what I typed to you. And today I am presenting one more program to you today, right? Slowly. My programs you have run. This week is you are running my programs slowly. And today you are trying to understand reading the data. Anyway, time is there for me, 1.5 hours almost. So in this 1.5 hours, I'll do. Okay, right. Reading the data from the keyboard, I'll do it. That you have to learn for today. Okay, right. Parameters. Parameters are nothing but variables. Make it. Parameters. Parameters are the variables. Parameters are the variables which are used to transfer the data from one method to another method. Parameters are the variables which are used to transfer the data from one method to another method. One method to another method. Parameters are the variables. They are nothing but variables only. Parameters are the variables which are used to transfer the data from one method to another method. Means whenever you want to send some data from one method to another method, we take the support of parameters. It's a theory. Now, based on parameters, the methods are categorized into 2 types. Based on parameters, the methods are categorized into 2 types. Methods without parameters methods with parameters. Methods without parameters and methods with parameters. Methods without parameters and methods with parameters. Now, the methods which are declared without parameters are known as zero parameter methods or methods without parameters. The methods which are declared without parameters are known as zero parameter methods or methods without parameters. Methods without parameters. Methods with parameters. So the methods, normal meaning only, the methods which are declared with parameters are known as parameterized methods, or you can say methods with parameters. You can say parameterized methods, or you can say methods with parameters. You can say. So completed, right? I'll show in the yesterday's program, two methods I took it. M1, M2. I took it. Okay, right. See there. I'll comment it. (129) demo methods 1. I'm taking. Now here. This, see the M1, see the M2. These braces are empty, no? Yes or no? Now they are with parameter, without parameter. Without parameter means parameter not there. So we are not started working with parameters. Sir, they are without parameter. The method is without parameter because the brace is empty. Parameter not there. Okay, right. Without parameter. So the brace is empty. Now with parameter not, sir. This is with parameter. I'm not commenting about main. Main always you have to keep separately. Last discussion will come. Okay, right. Now I took two methods, sir. M1, M2. The braces are empty. So this is methods without parameters I took in yesterday's program. So methods with parameters still not entered. Methods with parameter still not entered. Got this point? Right. Still not entered. So examples for this is M1 and M2. No need to comment it. Right. Sir, what about return type? Yesterday I used void. No, sir. Make it. Define return type. FAQ. Define RETURN. Return type. Define return type. Define return type. Define return type. So return type specify, make it. Return type specify the method will return the value. Return type specify the method will return the value or not. Return type specify means return type will say the method will return the value or not after method execution. After method execution. Return type specify the method will return the value or not after method execution. The return type only will say whether the method will return the value or not. Will return the value. Return the value means, see, I will call the method. The method will run. After method execution, it has to return the value. So, based on return type, methods are categorized into two types. Non-return type methods and return type methods. Make it. Based on return type, based on return type, Methods are categorized into two types. Based on return type, methods are categorized into two types. Non-return type methods return type methods, non-return type methods and return type methods. Non-return type methods and return type methods. Non-return type means the methods will not give any value back. Return type methods means the methods will give some value back. That's called return type and non-return type. Above program, only one program, demo methods 1, only one program. See, I'm giving very slowly, I'm increasing the level and come slowly, right? In the yesterday's program, I used non-return type methods. M1, M2 are non-return type. First write the notes, I'll reveal it. The methods which will not return, the methods which will not return any value after method execution. The methods will not return any value after method execution are known as non-return type methods. The methods which will not return any value after method execution are known as non-return type methods. Non-return type methods. Non-return type methods. Right. Sir, how can we make one method non-return type? Sir, as a developer, how can I make one method non-return type? So rather said, declare the method with void. When you declare one method with void, the method is non-return type. See there, in yesterday's program, whenever you declare void here, void, so this method became non-return type method. This became non-return type method. This is. It became non-return type. Because void is there, M1 will say that, see there, M1 came here. M1 came for execution, no, right? After execution, it executes and destroys. It is not giving any value back again. So the method called by the main method, it is not giving any value back to the main method. So that method is non-return type. It is not giving any value back. So why it is non-return type? Developer declared as void. The methods which are declared with void are known as non-return type methods, right? So if I want to return something, I'll remove that void. Understood this point? Now make a statement here. The methods which are declared with void, V-O-I-D, void, are known as non-return type methods. Non-return type methods. The methods which are declared with void are known as non-return type methods. Simply, void methods are non-return type methods. You can read it as void methods in bracket. Void methods are non-return type methods. Void methods are non-return type methods. In yesterday's program, M1, M2 are non-return type methods because they are declared with void. Everybody clear? Right. So return type methods, opposite. Return type methods. The methods which return the value, the methods which return the value after method execution, the methods which return the value after method execution are known as return type methods. The methods which return the value after method execution are known as return type methods. After method execution, if they return the value, they are return type. Return type methods are very popular in real-time market. Very, 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 very popular. You must need careful practice on this return type methods. I'm going to give it. Right. Sir, how to identify these methods means, see there. Suppose I want to make this method as a return type method. Example, remove this void. Sir, if I remove this void, error will come, sir, means then you have to decide it. M2 method should return int or M2 method should return float or M2 method should return char or M2 method should return boolean. Means what? The void is replaced with the data type. The method is returning what type of value we are going to declare there. Sometimes the methods will return string also. Like this. The methods which are declared without void. The methods which are declared without void are known as return type methods, which means void is replaced with data type. Replaced with data type. Data type means you can take byte, short, int, long, float, double, char, boolean, even string, even class type also you can take it. Means what type of data you are returning, that data you can take there. The data type you can take there. Okay, right. For now it is void. Void means easy for practice. First program no, I took void. Make a statement. The methods which are declared with, which are declared without void. Without void. The methods which are declared without void are known as. The methods which are declared without void are known as return type methods. Return type methods without void are known as return type methods. Return type methods. Simply, 1 minute, continuation, which means replace void with any data type. Replace void with any data type based on the requirement. Any data type based on the requirement. Based on the requirement. All have understood this statement? Right. So simply in non-void here. Non-void methods. Non-void means void not there. Non-void methods are known as return type methods. So this is the notes about your return type and parameter. Now you have to apply in the practical, right? Okay, right. Now look here. How many of you reading the notes? Raise your hands daily. Right. Very less people, 50%. Okay, right. Almost the strength with online and offline, the strength is almost 400 is there. Right? So read it. So reading notes only, directly don't come. If you want to learn a subject, read it. Don't waste the room. Already 2 weeks completed. Right? 2 weeks means not a small thing, and it's the biggest thing. 50% of your month. 50% of your month. If you're paying any hostel fee, also 50% of the month that is. So whether you wasted or not, you have to cross check it. Very careful. Without your knowledge, first week is demo week. Second week, slowly 2 variables, 2 components, variable method discussion is going on, right? 1 program for variable, 1 program for methods. So daily read it, and 2 more weeks, you have to maintain patience. 2 more weeks, then only the control language will come to us. Okay, right? Now I'm going for small practical now. Now, whenever I want to do some practical, already you had complete knowledge about a variable, yes or no? Complete knowledge about methods, theoretically. So 2 alphabets here. Sir, under programming components, first one is variable. Complete information is available with variables. Now, methods, in other language, we are calling it as functions. But here, methods. How many methods are there now? Static methods and non-static methods. You can call it as what now? Instance methods. You can say in bracket, you can say non-static methods. In the market, they use a term instance method or object method, they'll say. In the real-time market, when you go for a company, they'll say instance method or object method, means access the method from object, they'll say. Access the method from class method. There's a term they use it. Class method, object method, there's a term they use it. Right? In our materials basic level, they write instance methods, static methods. They're our training process terminology. So in the real time, they call it as class methods, object methods, class variable, object variable, like this. Okay, right. Now, you know, this is memory in class already. This is memory in class. You know, I shown the diagram also. This is memory in object. I shown this one. Now, among static also, return type will be there, non-return type will be there. Here also possible is there. Of course, built-in method, non-built-in method again. So here it will be there. Sir, here return type, non-return type methods. Non-return type methods will be there. And return type methods also will be there. Among this, return type will be there, non-return type will be there. Non-return type. Among non-return type also, built-in will be there, user-defined will be there. Built-in methods will be there, and user-defined methods. Some will come from library, some will come. So, user defined methods will be there. Right. So even the return type methods of static also, some will come from library, some we are going to define it. Here under non-return type also, here also possibility is there. Some will come from library and some we have to define it. This is the layout. Right now, you had complete theoretical information about variable and method. Read the notes more so that you can attend the interviews within 15 days. Right? Within 15 days, I'll make you eligible for interview. Right? Within. So you had a complete notes on variable and method. Read it. Read more for interview. Practical I'm entering now. Can I go forward? Right. That practical, I'll give the knowledge. So all theoretical presentations, I'll convert into practicals. Okay, right. So next concept is blocks and constructors. In the object-oriented programming, next is blocks. Blocks and constructors will not come now, and next Saturday, next Friday, they will come. So we take 1 week in the middle to complete these practicals about variables and methods. Got it? Right. Then the blocks and constructors will come. Then we'll go forward. Okay, right. Like this, I'll write total and total layout. I'll write up to here. Total layout. Okay, right. That layout will be given to you at the ending. Okay. I'm coming down. Whenever I want to put this all theoretical knowledge into practical, let us take one example. From the library, I am bringing one class outside. From the library, I am bringing one class outside. Yesterday, demo methods 1 is a user-defined class. Okay, right. I made a statement also to you. Whenever object-oriented programming, I made a title on Tuesday, I think. So this is last class. Environment variable is a Saturday. And 14th, this is Monday. Naming conventions, data types, I took it. Under data types, non-primitive, under non-primitive, we had a class. So object-oriented programming concept having meaning is nothing but presenting your program in the form of class and object. Anyway, just object only came, full-fledged object-oriented, not entered still. Okay, right. So we are concentrating on class now. Class, how many types are there to you? 2 types. What are they? Built-in classes and user-defined classes. Among user-defined classes, you took 1 program, 2 programs, demo variables and demo method 1. Means that program I only defined, sir. I only took variables, sir. I only took methods, sir. I only worked. So among built-in, many will be there. So among that built-in class, I want to bring 1 class inside. The class is scanner class. I want to bring 1 class known as what now? Scanner class. Make it star mark IMP. Define S capital scanner class. Define scanner class. Like this, I'll type the notes and almost 400 pages notes will come. I will type these notes, around 400 pages notes will come with programs, diagrams, complete material will come till the ending. Right. So I'm bringing 1 class known as a scanner. So you had complete information about these variables and methods anyway. Sir, what is this scanner class? Scanner class is a built-in class, means already from the library. Built-in class from java.util package. From which package now? Java.util package. So here JDK, JRE, these are some important packages. Among that important packages, can you see 1 package here now? Util. Can you see 1 package now? Util. From that util package, I am bringing 1 class outside. I am bringing 1 class. That only class known as scanner class I am bringing to you. Okay, right. Make a statement. Scanner is a. Scanner is a built-in class. Means predefined class indirectly. Built-in class from java.util package. Java.util package. Scanner is a built-in class from java.util package. Util package, and which provide the following, some, the following some important methods to read data into Java program. Scanner is a built-in class, means library class, built-in class from java.util package, and which provide the following some important methods to read data into Java program. You said some important methods, sir. What are they? Make it. The methods to be remembered is next byte, to read byte data. Next short, to read short data. Next int, to read int data. Next long, to read long data. Next float, to read float data. Next double, to read double data. Next boolean, to read boolean data. Next line, to read string data. To read string data. So they are all methods. They are all built-in methods. Built-in means what? I said no. So methods can be built-in methods, user-defined methods. Now I am bringing built-in methods. How many methods I took now? 8 methods. One method to read byte, one method to read short, one method to read int, one method to read long, one method to read float, double. To read character method not there. Understood now? To read character method not there. So character will come in the form of string only. String means double quotes I given in our notes, no? Because I am asking Andy, reading the notes or not? I asked that question. Why means daily the knowledge you bring to the class, don't come with empty brain and not possible. Some knowledge you have to bring to this class. Sir, last class happened like this. Last week, that knowledge should be carried forward. Today's knowledge, tomorrow. Tomorrow's knowledge to Monday. In between Sunday will come. Don't forget it. Right? You have to carry. Then only that subject will come and sir, directly, sir, 1 week I am out of station, sir. Today only came, it's not possible and subject will not come. Not possible. That is not the proper way of learning subject also. Language teachers, no, line will be there. Line and process. You have to attend linely, then only subject will come. So dropping in the middle also will not come and subject will not. That only happens many people. 40% of the people, they will not attend seriously. They'll come and sit. They'll go again. They'll come and sit. They'll go 2 days. They will not come. Suddenly they will come. What they will understand it? Not possible. But learning means one process. If he is missing 2 classes also, Google Classroom is there. Download it, take one pencil, read line by line, line by line, line by line. You have to read it. Because previous class already you know, no. So in between what happened, that point also some students will not maintain. They will not read that also. Some people. That connectivity will be missing it out. Say today I am introducing scanner. Today Friday means weekend feeling. Some students weekend. Tomorrow total weekend feeling only. Some students will not attend it also. If they miss the scanner class from Monday onwards, reading data. Now the data is coming from keyboard. Now enter the username, enter the password, enter the age of employee, enter the data should come. No. For to read this data only that methods. So how many important methods now? 8. Scanner has many methods. Scanner has many methods. We cannot remember all the methods. I am asking you to remember 8 methods. Understood this point? Right. Sir, I had knowledge about these methods, sir. Method is return type or non-return type, sir. Method with parameter, without parameter, sir. Method static or non-static, you must know or not now? Yes or no? Then only you will decide it, no? If static keyword I have added, you will access with the class name. If I remove the static keyword, you will access with the object name. So you must know about them or not now, right? I'll open it. See, I am opening. I am opening the scanner class and show these methods to you, how they are available. I'll show it. Okay, right. See that. Whenever you want to open the class, command prompt. Anyway, this is command prompt. This is command. Not normal command prompt because path is there, no? Environment variable is holding path. You can type from anywhere, it will come. So I am typing, I want to see scanner class. Whenever you are writing a class name, starting letter capital, no? Yes or no? Scanner, yes, capital, because it is a class. Now, scanner belongs to which package now? Which package? Util. Which package and util? Util stands for what now? Utility. Of course, you cannot remember. I am only speaking that. Util stands for what now? Utility. I written in your notes already. Utility. Now, this util belongs to what now? Library, Java. So, scanner belongs to util. Util belongs to Java library. I want to see the property. Java P. Java P means library property. You know the command Java C. Compile. C means compilation. Java means execution. Java P means property. I want to see the properties of a scanner. So Java P space Java dot util dot scanner. I want to see the properties of scanner, which belongs to util. Util belongs to library. It displays. Understood this point or not now? So the scanner class is completely displayed here. Like this, the total library you can see. Whatever the class names I'll give to you from today, you also can see by sitting at home. You cannot by heart these many components. I cannot by heart, sir. Yesterday given small program, sir. Demo methods 1. I can remember, sir. A is there, B is there, M1 is there, M2 is there, main is there, sir. Easy. I can remember. User defined, no, we can remember. Built in very hard. Very biggest components will come. In that situations, what to do? We trainers will filter and write the important components. From scanner, I took 8 methods outside. Can you see that? Right. Among that 8 methods, where is that next byte? Can you see next byte? You also can comment now. Now, next byte, can you see here? Don't see public now. Don't see public. Because you don't know the definition of public, don't see. Right? In the future, the public will come. Next weekend or next 4th week. Means next week is the 3rd week. By the 4th week, that public will come. Until then, you have to wait it. Now, next byte method. See the total now. This method is a static method or non-static method. This method is static or non-static? Static or non-static? Non-static only, no? Yes or no? Because static keyword available or not available? Not available. Why is sound not coming? You have to apply it. The knowledge what you gained, you have to apply it. No other choice. Now your static keyword available or not available? Not available. So the method is static method or non-static method? Non-static method. Non-static method access with class name or object name? Object name. So this method will get the memory within the class or within the object? Within the object. These are the points. And by seeing the method, these many points you have to get it. That only advanced Java. Next level, that only. By seeing a method, I can speak it, sir. Static keyword not there. Means non-static method. Non-static method will get the memory within the object. I must access with the object name. That's the concept. Now here brace is there. The brace is empty, no? This is with parameter, without parameter. Without parameter. Now this method is declared with void, void not there. Void not there. So method is return type or non-return type? Return type or non-return type? Return type or non-return type? Void not there means return type. Void not there means return type. This method is returning what value now here? Here data type is there. What value now? Byte. So like this, the information is available here. Right? So before giving these informations to you, anyway, sir, these methods are available from this class. So diagram is like this. So this is one Java library. This Java library belongs to Java JDK 1.6 bin library. Library will be there for you. In the C drive, program files, Java, JDK, one library is there. So that library is referred by a word known as Java. In this library, many packages will be there. Among that, one package is util. Among that, one package is util. One package is util. Many packages are there. Among that, one package is util. The util package will have many classes. Among that, one class is scanner. I am bringing scanner. S capital. Scanner. Scanner has many methods. I am highlighting few methods for you. That is next byte. Next short. Because why I am writing that B capital? Can anybody can say? Why B capital? Sir, Monday class asking on Friday means not possible, sir. That much of length you don't ask it, sir. Monday class suddenly asking on Friday means how it is possible, sir? Not possible. Naming convention, Monday. I am a planet trainer actually. Whatever I am giving today, in future I am going to use it. Whatever I am giving training on core Java, I am going to use in advanced Java. That is the technique we play. By everything, we never waste your sessions. By plan only. Everything. Because sessions are very important. Time is very precious for us. In this area especially. If it is a graduation study, I can speak about movies, heroes. I can speak it. Here I san Ayreta. We don't have time to crack one joke also. Fast track trainers. We don't have time to laugh also when I crack a joke also. Fast track trainers present with the subject flow. You observe, I think, in this week. I'm speaking about subject only. Because no other way. Because I'm a fast track trainer. Fast track trainer meaning is complete session will be delivered with the subject flow. The student has to record it. That's all. If it is a graduation trainers we are in your engineering college or some other college, they don't have any target base. They will not be there. So they can pass the times. Here not possible for us. So if we used one session, somewhere I'm going to use them. In the naming convention, I given methods. In variables and methods, the first word in lowercase and from second word onwards, starting letter must be capital. Next byte. Two words are there now. Next byte, B capital. Next short, S capital. Next line, L capital. If I don't write what happen, error will come. They are built-in forms now. You cannot change the name. That only. I am using that names. Next int. Understood why I am writing I capital? 2 words. That is a way of writing method set when the library. So next long. Next float. Next double. Here next char not there. Next boolean. Next line. So I highlighted these methods. These are the methods available from the scanner class. Understood, right? So all these methods are non-static methods. Nothing but you can say instance methods. Instance built-in methods because already constructed, no? Right. Instance, what kind of methods now? Instance built-in methods they are. They are instance built-in methods. Built-in means already coming from the library. Already coming from the library. Here instance methods, 2 types are there. Built-in instance methods, can you see, right? Among built-in instance method, what is the example means? Next byte, next short, next today's methods. They're coming from built-in instance, they're coming. Got it right? Now, the statement under this. The statement under this. Continuation, write it. I'll copy the diagram down anyway to show that it is one library. From that library, util package is there. From that util package, one class scanner is there. The scanner is holding some methods and the methods are instance methods, means non-static methods. Non-static methods means static keyword not there. Now instance methods will get the memory within the object. You have to create object, no? You have to create object or not now, right? Make a statement like this. Sir, all the above methods are instance methods. All the above methods are instance methods. All the above methods are instance methods and will get the memory within the object. Will get the memory within the object and can be accessed with object name. Can be accessed with object name. All the above methods are instance methods and will get the memory within the object and can be accessed with the object name. Okay, right. Now you have to create object, no? Syntax of creating object for scanner class. How to create object for scanner class? You know the object creation syntax, no? Class name, object name is equal to new class name, right? Okay. Syntax for object creation. Syntax of object creation for scanner class. Scanner class. Right. Look here. You know the syntax already. Look here. 2 minutes. Sir, class name must be there. And new class name must be there. because about 2 programs are there as a demo. Demo variables, demo methods. In that 2 objects we created for user defined class. First time we are creating object for one class coming from the library. One class coming from the library we are creating object. So what is the class name now here? Scanner. S capital. Scanner. Class name is scanner. So object name, you can take any name. We take always yes. There is no rule. You can take any name. But maximum materials will use scanner yes is equal to new scanner. They will use it. So you'll be reading some materials or some books, no? So you can see that scanner yes is equal to new scanner, right? Look here once. One specialty is there for this scanner class now, because the scanners class should be connected to this keyboard. Okay, right? Now, whatever the data you are entering from this keyboard, where this data will come? Now, this keyboard is connected to your virtual machine, actually. Keyboard, if I speak like this, the imagination may come, may not come. See there. Actually, your virtual machines will be there. Means your computer system. Virtual machine, computer system, where your keyboard is connected. Where your keyboard is connected. Where your keyboard is connected here as an input device. Some wire will be there, you are going to pin it. Now already you know these machines will be under the control of your operating systems. Operating system. Upon this one, operating system is there. Now, whatever the data I typed in the keyboard, the data are accommodated into some buffers. One buffer. Operating system will accommodate into one buffer. Accommodated into one buffer. First, the data will come to one buffer, OS buffer, we call it as. Whenever you type the data in the keyboard, the data will flow and wait in the buffer, OS buffer. To explain that, you had a subject, operating system, IO management, chapter is there. Input, output management, how to manage input, output. The buffers are there, they'll manage. OS will manage. There's a rule. I need a graduation studies giving that subject to you, operating system and distributed operating system. Their chapter is there, IO management. There they will explain, the others will explain how the data is coming to operating system. Of course, no student will remember that, you know. Whatever the data entered, the data will come to OS buffer. That is a rule. Then why you draw pipe, sir? Is there any specific reason to draw the pipe? Yes. Whenever we want to show one stream, in technical education, we draw pipes. Stream means flow. That flow. River means stream of water. That's the meaning of that. So stream means flow. Inputs are compared with streams, actually. Inputs are compared with streams, meaning flow of data will come. That's the meaning. To show that flow, technical education others drawn the pipes. Why we drawn the pipes means to educate a student. If we take one water pipe now, example, put one water in the one edge, automatically water will go to another edge. So to educate one student, if you put the data in one edge, the data will go to another edge. If you put the data here, the data will go here. That's the concept. That's the meaning. So they shown like a pipe to you. Okay, right now. Sir, this is okay. This is OS buffer, but we are under JVM now, sir. Sir, our area different, our world is different. So our JVM is available here. Sir, our JVM, this is. Our JVM is available here. This is our JVM. JVM means class loader subsystem, runtime data area, dot is there. Among that one heap area is there. In that heap area, our object is coming. Our objects are coming here or not now? Example, sir, this is our object. 0x111, roughly. Sir, imagine it. This is one scanner class object. Scanner class object. Scanner class object means one small memory related to scanner class holding instance members. Understood this point now? Now, how the data will come, sir? Our JVM is in the top, keyboard is here, data is in the buffer. Then how the data will come? So, your author said, we are going to use one concept known as system.in. We are going to use one concept known as system.in, S capital. System represents computer environment. .in, come inside. There's a term given to it. System.out. One predefined format is there or not now? System.out.print. That is one standard printout going outside. System.in means come inside. So from where I should come, sir? See, your author said, when are you given system.in, internally, automatically, this buffer is connected to you. That's a concept. Automatically, the buffer is connected to you. 1 minute. Automatically, the buffer is connected to you. The system.in will connect that buffer. This is system.in will connect it. Now, once the system.in connected, here one small memory we maintain. One small memory inside that object, one small memory we maintain. This memory to collect the data. Now, whatever the data we entered, the data will come and load here. That's the concept. Understood this point now? Object is our storage. The data should come to our storage. Because of this reason, the standard syntax is scanner S is equal to new scanner of system.in. System.in represent connecting operating system buffer to scanner class object. That only concept, it is connected. Now, the data will come and wait here. That's a concept. Right. Make that point now. All have written this. Scanner S is equal to new scanner of system.in. New scanner of system.in. Right. Sir, what is this system.in represents? Make a statement. System.in represents connecting operating system buffer to scanner class object. System.in represents connecting operating system buffer to scanner class object. Operating system buffer to scanner class object. System.in automatically connects internally operating system buffer to your scanner class object. Clear about this point now, right? Under this one, we keep that diagram. This connection diagram, we keep it. So in this connection diagram, we are representing that the keyboard data is coming and loading into our scanner class object. We are representing. This is the connection. Observe this point now, right? From today, you have to imagine it like this. Whenever I type something, the data will come to operating system buffer. From operating system buffer, the data will come to my scanner class object and wait in one memory. It waits there. Whenever it is waiting in the memory, in that object, my methods are there. Next int, next byte, next float. Means these methods will collect the data from that memory. That methods will collect it. The methods will collect the data from that memory and give to us. That is the concept. For that purpose, we are having 8 methods to collect the data. The data will come and wait there actually. From that memory, if you want to collect the data, you must use a method. If byte data came, send your next byte method. If string data came, send your next line method. If a float data came, send your next float method. That's the concept. The data will come and wait there. That's the concept. All of you got one small imagination. Again, I'll try the complete diagram anyway. Right? Okay. Now, here, these method syntaxes I want it. Sir, at last I got the information. These methods will get the memory in the scanner class. Scanner class linked to scanner class object linked to one operating system buffer. That operating system buffer linked to one keyboard. Whatever the data I am entering to the keyboard, the data will come to buffer. From buffer, the data will come to my scanner class object. We are collecting the data from the scanner class object by using methods. But how to use these methods, sir? I want to know. Then comes your method signatures with syntax. Make it method signatures with syntax. Method signatures means method structure indirectly. Here signature I am using one term, nothing but method structure this is. Structures, method structures with syntaxes. If not method structures and syntax. How the method structure is there and how we are writing the syntax. Right, observe it. First, I will take the first one now. Next byte method. So how it is available in the library, I'll show it. Next byte method. Public byte next byte. So the method is available like this. 2 minutes, you don't write it. Sir, public byte next byte. The method is there like this. Now, whenever you want to write one syntax, syntax means by seeing that method structure only syntax will come, right? Don't see public. For today, up to 1 week, don't see public. Okay, right? Now this method is a non-static method, you know. This method is a non-static method because static keyword is not available. This non-static method accessed means the non-static method will get the memory within the object accessed with the object name. So what is the object name of scanner now? Yes. Yes or not now? Then how to access now? Yes dot next byte. Because the next byte method belongs to scanner class object. Yes. Now this is with parameter, without parameter, without parameter. So it is empty. Okay, right. Now this method is return type or non-return type? Return type. Because Here void is not there. So return type means write equal. Equal to y means the method will return the value back. The method will return the value back. You write equal to. What kind of value it is returning now? Byte value. Take one variable. Take one variable name. Any one variable. BR, KR, DR, some variable name. So finally, what is the syntax now? Byte variable is equal to s dot next byte. This method will take the data from the memory of your scanner class and load it onto variable. That only concept. Now I'll go with the short. Can you see short here? Public short, next short. 2 minutes you don't write it. Public short, next short. Sir, same process. Syntax. Sir, the method is non-static method. You have to access with object name s dot next short without parameter. Return type is short. You must write what now? Short some variable name. Understood now? From that method signature only syntax will come. That you have to learn from me. In the coming chapters also you have to learn it. How Venkatesh sir is writing syntaxes from the method signatures. You have to learn it in core Java from me. Total chapters. Many locations I'll show this. If you learn this, no, next time Amirpet not needed, you can learn by yourself. Because that only technique. By seeing the library, by seeing the method signature, if you can write the syntax, you can learn by yourself. That only remaining all. So I'm showing that for demo. By seeing that method signature only, that syntax is coming. Now keep on writing, I'll be writing, make it. So all methods will be same, write it. Public, next int, next int. This is the method form. And this is syntax. Syntax is int. Int some variable name is equal to s dot next int. So public long, next long, long. So syntax long some variable is equal to s dot next long. So public float, next float. So syntax float some variable is equal to s dot next float. Same syntaxes will be there anyway from your library. Double, next double, syntax double some variable is equal to s dot next double. So public boolean, boolean, next boolean. So syntax some boolean variable is equal to s dot next boolean. Next last one. So public string S capital Next line. Syntax. String sum variable is equal to s dot next line. So these are the method formats and syntaxes what we are using. Right. Can I write the program now? One small example program based on reading the data. Can I write it? Okay. So write a program to read and display user details. Means username, user mail ID, user phone number. I will read only 3 fields. I will read it. Read and display. Okay, right. Make it. Example program. Write a program to read and display some user details. In that user details, we are keeping username, mail ID, and phone number we are taking. Write a program to read and display user details, username, mail ID, and phone number I am taking. So username means a string. Yes or no? Right. What method you are using for username now? To read string, what you are using now? Next line method. Here I comment and no? To read string data. Right. Okay, right. To read this mail ID, string only, no? Your mail IDs will be in the form of string, means characters, group of characters. Right. Phone number means what now? With decimal, without decimal, phone number. Integer family. Among integer, 4 are there. Now phone number is very biggest or smallest? Very biggest. You must use int or long. Long. Phone number is long. So I'm using long. Anyway, it will come slowly. Where to use? I'll give the notes also. Where to use long? I said no, I'll give the notes. Once a practical started, I'll give the notes. Where to use float? Where to use double slowly. I'm going to increase it. Now only the keyboard data is coming anyway. Right. See there. I am taking one program. Right. The program continued with method names. That is demo method 2. I am using demo method 2. I am using one program known as demo methods 2. Why I am using that name means we are under method chapter, still blocks not entered. Next coming chapter is blocks. In a sequence, block should come, right? Demo methods 2, right? Save the program with demo methods 2 dot java. Now here today a new thing, scanner class should come. Okay, right? Now my program is running under, sir, our program is e-drive. E-drive, where is this? Demo 129 here. Sir, my program is running under. Sir, my program is running under E demo 29. Here I am running. Under this demo 29 folder, I took one class. I took one class. Class name is demo methods 2. Sir, this is one class. This one class. Of course, scanner is a built-in class. Demo methods 2 is a user-defined class. In this, I had public static void main. I had. Here I am writing the object. Scanner S is equal to new scanner of system.in. Only for scanner this syntax. Only for scanner only this syntax. Remaining all normal only. The only for scanner this syntax. Right? I am writing. See there. Sir, I am creating object. You understood the locations? Scanner class in the scanner class is in the library. We are creating object in our user-defined program. Here I am creating object. Scanner S is equal to new scanner of system.in. Here S capital, scanner, system S capital. Understood, right? I'll compile this program once because syntax is correct or not, I must compile it. I'll send the code for the compiler. I'm sending E-drive. I'll go for E-drive. CD demo 129. If anybody is facing this compilation and so on, go to the lab. And if you're before going to the lab, if nobody is there, I'll be available in this room only. Available here. Almost 6 batches I am running from this dais. So any time you can come to this floor, I am available in that. But I'll be busy, means delivering student. Now you'll go. Immediately 10 minutes will be there for me. Breakfast and I'll come. Only this batch, only for me rest, because your notes is updated with 1 o'clock. The reason, only 10 minutes break will be there for me. 10 to 15 minutes. So the next batch will come. Within 15 minutes, I'll add my breakfast and come inside. In 11 o'clock, I'll be sitting there for 20-25 minutes. I'll sit outside. If you're going for the lab, no, any program execution not comfortable, if you want to go to the lab, you can ask me. I'll call up somebody in the lab. You can go and get it explained. No problem. This execution problem, where to save it, when errors are coming, means you can go to the lab. One programmer is there. I'll call him. So he will adjust all the things and give to you if the laptop is there, and then that you take the support, because slowly scanner class is coming, some errors will be increased. Okay, right. Now I am compiling Java C demo methods 2.java. Error will come. The error is nothing but compiler is saying that what is this scanner? Suddenly you are using one scanner. What is this scanner? Then I must give the information. What information means? Scanner is from one library. From there, you have to import. What is the meaning of import? English meaning only. Import means getting. importing, exporting. So I must write import scanner. I'm importing scanner from where now? From util. Util belongs to Java. I must write it. Whenever I write this import statement here, see there. Whenever I add this, above this, in other language you had a hash include. Here import scanner. Now java dot util dot. Whenever I write this line now, your error will go. The compiler will see that line. Okay. Scanner class will come from library at execution stage. I checked it. Your compilation process is correct. Go. So whenever we want to use one class from library to user defined class, we must use import because they are available in different packages, different folders, different drives they are. Observe this point or not now. You have to import it. That notes I'll write by tomorrow. Import. Today it is coming. After this one now whatever I'll keep one message to the user now. System dot out dot println. And whenever you want to put a message, double quotes now. So enter the user name. I'm putting one message. The message will come on to the command prompt. Enter the username. Now the user will see and enter the username. Whenever he enter the username now, this is the imagination. Whenever you enter the username now, the data will come and wait in our memory. The data will come and available in our memory. Means username came. So imagine it, username is waiting here. So imagine it, Raj came inside user. Now the username is waiting here. When the username is waiting there, somebody has to collect it. Right? So I am sending one method known as next line. I am using next line method. Yes dot next line method means read string data. From where now? That memory. The data came into memory or not now? Now next line method is a return type method. No. Right? It returns the value to LHS. That only syntax. It returns the value to LHS. So it returns the value to LHS. What kind of value? String value. Put it onto one variable name. You can take any variable name. I am taking the variable name as username. Variables you must take lowercase and uppercase now. Right. All of you understood this now. Now the data is available here. After the data came here, I am sending the next message. The next message is nothing but enter the mail ID. Now already data taken already. This data has been taken by the next line method is cleared. Data taken already. Right? Okay. Now next mail ID. So r at the rate of gmail.com is entering one mail ID. The mail ID will come there or not? That is the imagination. The data will come and available. So mail ID means strings are again. So string means again you have to use it what now? Yes dot next line. So read string data. First time now I am commenting it out. And this will return the value. Load it onto one variable now. String some mail ID. You can write. Understood now? Right? Once the mail ID came there now, this data is taken. Over, sir. This data is taken. Next, enter the phone number. I am asking to enter the phone number. System dot out dot println. Enter the phone number. Enter the phone number. Now, phone number means what now? Sir, phone number will come very big here now. 9898981234. Biggest number is coming or not now? You take it as in long. So here I will take yes dot. Very long number came. Go and collect it. Among integer, he is the biggest integer, that is long. So collect it. Load it onto one variable. So what variable now? Sir, long phone number. All of you observe this? All of you getting now? The phone number is taken. So I taken long only, no? Long, L-O-N-G. Long. Right. So the phone number is taken. Observe this point now, all of you, right? Once the phone number came, now the data came and loaded into variables. Okay, right? One is username, one is mail ID, one is phone number. So display the details. System.out.println. So user details I am displaying. Some user details. Some user details. I am putting one message as user details now. Here system.out.println. You can display the results outside, no? Right. You know how to display the results now. Sir, username equal to. I am writing always, my habit is write colon equal to, right? Plus username. It is the result or not now? Got it right? Now mail ID system.out.println. Here mail ID colon. You must use this variable names, username here, mail ID here to display it out. Mail ID. Because I asked you to practice print A, print B, print C, means printing result. To educate a student, the program is given. Okay, right. Now enter the, display the phone number. Println. Now phone number. Phone number. Here phone number. Now the data came inside, no? Can I run the program? Right. Whether the data is coming or not, let me cross check it. Okay, right. See there. Now I will compile the program. Java C demo methods 2.java. Right. So execute the program. Java demo methods. Enter the username. Getting or not now? So username is some Raj Kumar. Roughly one name. Okay, right. Whenever I enter some Raj Kumar here, imagination for you. The data is coming to my memory. From there, I am collecting the data. That imagination is coming or not now, right? So enter the mail ID. raj@gmail.com. Phone number 9898981234. Getting or not now? So that's. So finally, the data is coming from the keyboard. Observe this point now, right? So this program is demo program. How the data is coming from the keyboard. What is the program name? I took it now. Demo methods 2.java. And this is the output. All of you understood this now, right? I'll attach this program. All of you got it? How I am using this? Yes or no only? Clear? Right. Can I give 2 assignments? Right. Okay, take it. If I'm late, also take the assignments. Because next batch, my batch only, they'll wait it. They knows my nature already. Assignment 2. Sorry. Assignment 1 for today. Everybody should finish off the assignment today only. Right? Okay. Right. Because to understand that flower. Okay, right. So write a program to read and display product details. Product code. Product code. Product name, product price, product quantity. Write a program to read and display product details. Assignment 2. Write a program to read and display book details. Book code, book name, same flavor. Book author, book price, and book quantity. And book quantity. For practicing your scanner and that one. Got it? Right. So my program, you type it, then complete these two. Same flavor, no? Right. Among this book code, product code is string. Remember this. Take this book code, product code as a string. Product name, book name as a string. Price float. Quantity integer. Understood now? Right. Other is string. Price is float. Quantity is int. So you are using next int method, next float method, next string method. So practice and complete today. Who completed? Add in your Google Classrooms once. All of you got it right. Finish off today. Tomorrow operators, control structures with one more program. Right. Okay. Thank you very much for today. Take a break.